Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends. Oh, wait a second. This is number 47. Oops, typo. Anyway, we're going to be talking about templating, which is another flavor of formatting your output. Okay, and we're going to talk, go through about 3 examples. And with that, let's go ahead and get started with the readings.
The string module includes a versatile template class with a simplified syntax suitable for editing by end users. This allows users to customize their applications without having to alter the application. The format uses placeholder names formed by $ with valid Python identifiers, alphanumeric characters, and underscores. Surrounding the placeholder with braces allows it to be followed by more alphanumeric letters with no intervening spaces. Writing $$ creates a single escaped $.
All right, and this is what we call a form letter, where you have what the some sort of a bit of text, and in the little important spots you can modify what's in there. Okay, now let's keep going.
The substitute method raises a key error when a placeholder is not supplied in a dictionary or a keyword argument. For mail merge style applications, user-supplied data may be incomplete and the safe _ substitute method may be more appropriate. It will leave placeholders unchanged if data is missing.
So, what that means is try to run this code and it blows up. And hey, it's in the example code. All right, let's keep going.
Template subclasses can specify a custom delimiter. For example, a batch renaming utility for a photo browser may elect to use %signs for placeholders such as the current date, image sequence number, or file format.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo.
Another application for templating is separating program logic from the details of multiple output formats. This makes it possible to substitute custom templates for XML files, plain text reports, and HTML web reports.
All right, so this is example 3, and this is going to be a little fun because we actually interact with the program while it's running. With that said, let's go check out the code. And here we have the sample code for video 87. And I've adjusted it a little bit. Example 1, example 2, and it does. I can confirm that it will blow up if I were to take out this comment. Okay, so yeah, and then we go and we fix it with the same substitute statement, and we'll take a look at that. And then in example 3, we need to copy this because we're going to need this later. All right. Okay. With that, let's go and run this this software, and let's do a little interacting. All right. Let's get this done. And here we are in the code. Okay. We've gone through example 1. See where it changed the template, and boom, what comes out. Now, a little bit of here. Okay, what do we have here? This is interesting because, what's in T right now? It's apparently it's a template object, and here is its location. Here is the, I guess the template of what they want. No, that's the templates up here. No, they're substituting in important bits, and then out it comes. I wonder why there's no space there. Then here's example 2. Okay, and sure enough, this will blow up, but I went ahead and commented out. But this is what happens when it works correctly. Okay, and now for example 3, remember the bit that I copied? Well, we're going to paste it in. We're going to hit enter. And bada boom, it renames those JPEG files. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, we're going to want to save that code for later, because that seems to me like that might be something that would prove to be useful later on down the road. Anyway, with that, today's video is done. Go out, have fun today, and try not to get in too much trouble. With that, we'll see you in the next video. Hasta la vista.